Guys, so you only see the top of my shirt right now, but I am actually wearing my Boy Meets Girl t-shirt that I got in April when I visited the Boy Meets Girl office in New York City, and this video is all about the company and a new feature that they're trying to promote. And as a personal rep for Boy Meets Girl, I just want to talk about this new feature, give you my thoughts and opinions on it, and just introduce you to a new and fresh idea. I've been meaning to film this video for such a long time now because I found out that I was a personal rep back in April. So this video is very overdue, but I'm really excited to be wearing my Boy Meets Girl t-shirt, sitting down and filming this video for you all. So a couple weeks ago, I uploaded my interview with Stacy, the founder and creator of Boy Meets Girl, and when I visited their office, I got the chance to, of course, interview Stacy. I got a tour of the office, I tried on some of their clothes, and then I learned a lot about this new feature. And towards the end of the video, I hope to insert some clips or pictures or even both of me modeling some of their clothes. So I'm gonna get started right away because I have a lot to talk about, and you guys know how much I like to talk, so I'm gonna try to not make this video super long. So I'm gonna start telling you guys what this feature is all about. So the company has released the Boy Meets Girl personalized hoodies. You can now personalize the old school Coco hoodies, and fun fact, I learned from Stacy that these hoodies are actually named after Coco Chanel. When I visited the lovely ladies at Boy Meets Girl, I actually tried on one of these hoodies, and oh my goodness, it was so comfortable. I didn't want to take it off, and I love hoodies because hoodies are an essential for like anybody's closet or wardrobe because you can wear them with like a pair of leggings for a very comfy, laid-back look. Or I know the weather is getting warmer, but I still feel like the nights can kind of be on the chilly side, so you can wear a hoodie with like jean shorts or a skirt or a dress just in case it's a little bit colder at night. So as you can tell, hoodies are a must-have for anyone. So you're probably thinking, what do you mean by personalizing a hoodie? Like, wait, what? I am super confused. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna explain. I'm first gonna insert a picture of the hoodie and what I mean by personalization. So let me insert the beautiful hoodie. I don't know what this is. It's like jazz hands that I'm doing right now. So that's what the personalized hoodie looks like. And first, I should have done this before I showed the picture of the hoodie, but I'm gonna give you a little background info about this new feature. So this is something that's not new to Stacy. She thought about this idea a couple years ago when she first started her business. So she's bringing back this feature to Boy Meets Girl because this is something that she holds dear to her heart. She was telling me she loves the idea of making fashion items distinctively yours. So many people liked it and it was super popular. She thought it was a good idea to introduce this feature to the Boy Meets Girl company. So it just looks like a plain hoodie. Well, it is far from plain. So in the middle, it has the Boy Meets Girl logo. This is what the logo looks like. It's like a silhouette of a girl and a boy facing each other. And if you want to learn more about the logo, definitely watch my interview video with Stacy. So it has the logo in the middle. You get to pick what you want to say above the logo. So legit, you're in control. You get to design this hoodie. You get to pick what you want to express, what you want to say, which I think is awesome because this hoodie is yours. I love to design clothes because I love to find unique pieces that other people can't find because it makes me feel very different. So really, no two hoodies are the same unless you want them to be the same, so you can wear them to school and not have to worry about someone else having the same hoodie, because that is a fear of mine, especially when we all shop at like Forever 21 and H&M. I'm afraid that I'm gonna walk into school or walk in like any public place and someone's gonna have the same outfit. But if you have the Boy Meets Girl personalized hoodie, I can promise you that nobody's really gonna have the same hoodies. And I have never seen any company release an idea like this. And that's why I wanted to talk about it, because it's such a fresh idea, because I do feel that like in our society, we can kind of get like lost in the crowd, but with something like this, you can really express yourself. So you guys can purchase one of these hoodies for yourself, or if you're feeling generous, you can gift them because they make such great gift ideas. And I'm gonna give you some examples of why I think they make awesome gifts. So like I said in a couple videos ago, or maybe in my last video, I am graduating in over a week, less than a week. I'm graduating in a couple days. So these will make great graduation gifts. Of course, these will make great birthday gifts. If you're giving this to your mom, you can put like your mom's name and then your name, or your sister's name and your name, or whatever. If you're giving it to a friend, you can put your name and your friend's name. And then they also make great bridal shower gifts. I don't know if any of you guys are getting married or going to a bridal shower, but you can put like bride, groom, you can put the name of the bride, the name of the groom. So there are endless of possibilities when it comes to these personalized hoodies. Okay, some of you may be thinking, well, I don't have a boyfriend, I don't have a brother, I don't have a sister, I'm not getting married, I'm not going to a bridal shower. What can I do with these personalized hoodies? Don't worry, if you are single, like me, doesn't mean you can't buy these personalized hoodies. You can definitely have fun with them. You can put like me and Prince Charming, me and like question marks. You can put me and a celebrity, like me and Justin Bieber if you're a Justin Bieber fan. I don't know. And I promise you, everybody can come up with like 2 people to feature on their hoodie. So I think that's all what I want to mention about this feature and about the hoodie. And if you are interested, which I hope you are, I hope this video was helpful, I do have my own code, because I am a rep for Boy Meets Girl, that you can actually punch in when you're checking out. It will give you a discount, which is always good. I always like to save money. So I will link that in the down bar. I will also link the Boy Meets Girl website where you can shop all the Boy Meets Girl merchandise. I will link their Twitter, their Facebook page. There's a lot going on in that down bar, so definitely check that out. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy that I had a chance to introduce you guys to this new feature. Let me know if you did purchase anything from Boy Meets Girl. Tweet me a picture of you wearing some of your merchandise. I would love to see that. And keep on watching to see some pictures and clips of me rocking some Boy Meets Girl clothing.
Is that the one that's the at?
Yes.
At you, at me?
Yeah.
I love that one.
Okay.
So what size is that one?
Extra small.
That is, okay.
Oh, I like the thumb hole.
Yeah, I actually really like their outfit.
Yeah, seriously.
It's cute.
Oh yeah, these
Oh
are
my god,
comfy.
this is so cute. Super happy right now.
This goes with my outfit.
Yeah, it really does. Your final production of the new personalized hoodies, because we had to do a
Yeah.
whole new lot.
Okay.
So this is the medium.
And then you can personalize, right? Anything. So you can choose anything.
So like here, if you wanted to show examples, you've got you and me, groom and bride,
Groom and bride, I like that.
Katie and question mark.
Ooh.
Prince Charming.
Prince Charming, yeah. That would be awesome.
Like we're doing a lot of celebrities who
Yeah.
ordered them, and
Great gifts.
it was fun.
I like how I don't have a boyfriend, so I don't feel left out, because I could do the Olivia and question mark or
Exactly.
me and Prince Charming. So I could have fun with it.
You
And
can create a nickname for
yeah,
them.
you know, a celebrity that I like, you know.
Mhm.
So I like how you can have fun with it, and then there'll definitely be eye catching, because you know you're walking down the street, they'll be like, oh, who's that? Who are you? And blah blah blah. So definitely be a conversation starter. You can have fun with it. Fashion is not just, okay, you have to follow this trend, this style. It's all about expression, all about having fun. So I like the whole personal idea behind this hoodie. So
I like also putting your YouTube,
ooh,
like your name there,
yeah.
and then question mark.
Question
or,
mark,
yeah. Or your Twitter handle.
You can have a lot of fun with this.
Yeah.
So I really like this.